Hey everybody, so I am AJ's mom and I am going to be helping him unbox the slime. Make sure that you get your parents to help you if you are underage, just so you know you don't mess anything up. So this is the Nickelodeon, includes pre-made make your own slime. Alright?
Yeah.
AJ, come here. Where you going? So I'm just gonna cut this off for him, and I'm gonna let AJ unbox it.
Unbox.
So let's tell everybody what you have in there. So make sure you show everybody what you have in your box.
It doesn't know what we have. If you take them out, they have question marks. So we could see what color we got. So first I'm going to take all them out, people. Then we're going to start mixing. Or maybe making.
Wait.
4.
So what color is this? Tell them what colors these are in the box.
This is red and blue and green.
Take them out and show them.
That's blue. And
so we have pink, red, green, and blue.
and another red.
And then we have this extra red, which we may not need. So let's first read the directions so that we can know what we need to do. Okay? So, getting started. Find a clean, flat surface to work on. Protect your work surface with paper towels and newspapers. So we gotta go get paper towels and see what's in here. Alright, so which one do you want to open up first, AJ?
I want to open up my favorite color.
Blue. So blue is his favorite color.
And green is my second. And orange is my third. Because that's my orange.
So I'm just going to take the tape off and I'm going to let you open it.
Okay. I know what it is. It's mine. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, and we got a baby spoon. Mom, we got a baby spoon.
I see. Remember, kids, always make sure you get all of your supplies organized before you start the project. Right, AJ?
Yeah.
So come over here and let's organize. So we're going to put our cups right here. We're going to move this to the side.
Mom, we already have one of these, right?
So we have some clear slime glue. All right, now be careful.
Oh, Play-Doh and much more Play-Doh green.
Oh, wow. And we got this from Target, and you could tell your parents that it was about $14.99. It was actually on sale. I think the regular price is $19.99. If you want to try this at home.
Okay, that's all. I think.
All
Let me
right.
see if that's all. Okay, that's all. Oh, Brain woke up. Good morning, Brayden. Brayden's so up.
You woke up?
Yep. I got it. Ooh, look at this. I found a popsicle stick.
All
We can
right.
make popsicles.
No, we're not going to make popsicles. So now it's time to see what's in the red box. So let's open
You mean
up the red.
orange?
Is it orange or is
Yeah.
it red?
Well,
I think I see red.
I think I see orange.
Mom,
Mom, maybe it's mixed together. Orange, red.
maybe so.
Mom, actually, is red is orange. Mom.
Oh, so we have glitters.
Mom.
And we got eyeballs,
Eyeball.
seashells, and we have other things in this one. So,
Wow.
and it's all in a bowl. So we'll keep
Now
it
we
right
need
there in the
pink.
bowl.
Now we need pink.
So pink will be
Mom,
the last
I
box.
think there's toys in this one.
You think so?
Yeah.
Bring it over here so that we can unbox it.
You mean cut the tape?
Yep. AJ. Number 1 says measure 15 ml of clear glue and pour it into the bowl.
Okay,
So come here.
I'll do it.
Yep, I'm gonna let you do it. First, let me take all the plastic off of this. So what numbers is 15?
15.
I know. What numbers is it? Is it a 1 and a
2?
No, 15. It's a 1 and a
15.
It's a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5 makes 15, guys. So on your measuring cup, you're gonna want to put 5 ml, 15 mLs, okay? So on here, AJ, show me where you see 15 at. Right there. Yay! So I need you can keep the top on. I need you to pour 15 mLs in there.
Okay.
Oop, don't pour too much. Squeeze a little bit harder. All right. So then, after you have your 15,
yeah, we need 15.
you're going to measure 25. Oh, we need a water bottle. Go get some water. Get a water bottle. Pour it into the bowl. This is our bowl. And our spoon. 5 mLs of water. I pour the water in here because you got to fill it all the way up.
I know how to do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
You got to be really slow. Oh, right there.
Now pour it there.
Okay, and then it says you need to make 5 mLs of slime activator. Slime activator right here. 5 of it. Okay, so we're going to do this to the 5.
I do it.
Okay. Oh, I got to take the plastic off.
I do it, Mommy.
Okay, so remember you got to fill it up to the 5.
5? Where's the 5?
Right there.
Right.
5 is like at the bottom.
Okay.
See it right there?
Yeah.
So you just need a little bit.
Okay, 5. That's 5. Jesus.
Okay. And then after that,
we need this.
okay, now come stir it.
Stir? What do we need to stir?
You need to stir this up.
Okay, I'll stir it. I'll stir it, Mom. Why you make the rest? Phew. Oh, Mom, look how sticky it is.
I see.
Now we need some colors.
Yep. Okay. Now we are about to make slime the right way. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to mix it all up for you, and then I'm going to let you mix it with the spoon, okay?
Okay. Did we add some?
Yep. So we're going to add some of this first. We're going to do 15 ml.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay.
Okay. Now pour it in the bowl. Got it? Then we're going to do some water. Let me help you scrape it out.
Okay.
Okay. So then we're going to do water.
Yeah. I pour it.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's on the 25. Okay.
25?
Yep, I think it's... Okay, it's right there.
25?
Yep, go to right there. Pour your water in your bowl. Perfect. Down one color. Turn the camera a little bit towards you.
Monster.
Okay, so yep. So now stir it. Got it? So stir it up.
And
did you want to add any of these in there?
yeah.
Which ones? This, the white one?
Yeah.
So before you add in your, if you want to add in balls or what is that, eyes and stuff, you need to add that in after you make your slime.
Those are X's.
Right. But if you want to add in glitter,
I want to add it. No.
you want to add that in before you add in your other stuff. So we're adding in glitter right now. And then AJ is going to stir it up some more after he adds in the glitter.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
All right. So you're going to add that in. Okay. What color do you want? Blue. So he wants to add in blue. This is like a paint, I think.
Mom, then I want these colors.
That's already slime, but this is what we use to make our own.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. So we're adding in the blue. Show them your slime so far. So that's how it looks.
I want some orange now.
Orange?
Yeah.
You want to mix that with the blue, or you want to make that when you make another one?
I want to mix that with the blue.
Okay.
Let's see if it's gonna work, Mommy.
Let's see. So now he wants to mix it
with orange, guys.
So we're gonna add a little bit of orange. All right. Mix that up. Uh-oh, be careful.
Okay.
I'm gonna raise your things up on your shirt. Okay, so mix that. All right. So
it's turning green.
it is like a toy quartz. Toy quartz.
Now I want.
So now
I want. So.
You want some of these?
Yeah.
Okay, so we add these in at the end. So now that we have gotten our colors and stuff in, we're going to go over here and we're going to get our slime activator.
I want one more color.
What color would you like?
Green, to make it even more, like make it too red.
It's not going to make red. It's going to make like a turquoise.
Okay.
So, yep, keep on stirring it.
See, guys? Stir, 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 stir. Okay.
Okay, and now we're gonna go in with our slime activator, and with the slime activator,
dirty already.
Let me clean this all out first before we add
Can
my
you
slime.
clean my hands too?
Yes. Slime is very messy, so please make sure you have an adult helping you. If you're under age of 5. So then I'm gonna add in 5
And I'm at age of 5.
Yep. So AJ, keep stirring your spoon. And I'm going to slowly pour this in while you keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Wow.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. I'm going to add some more. Keep stirring. Show them. Pick your spoon up. Ooh.
Ta-da!
All right, now I'm gonna stir some more. All right, now stir some more. Keep stirring. So you guys, AJ is doing a great job at making his slime.
This time.
You are. All right, so pick your spoon up again. Let's see what it's doing. Look at that. Keep stirring it. All right, so while he's stirring that, I'm going to get some of these balls right here. And I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to let AJ put it into his slime. Alright, AJ. So put it into your slime.
What?
That's the balls that you wanted. Ooh, wow. So now, you got to mix it up some more. Now look at it. It's stuck. So now you can put your spoon in there and mix it up. So now,
we need
get all of this off your
slime
spoon.
color. I want some slime color now.
Okay. So look.
Pop, pop, pop,
Yep.
pop. Mom, Ryan used to put those things in his slime when they was making slime.
Really?
Yeah, I watched him on YouTube.
So what color slime do you want to add to this over here?
Red.
Red. This is kind of like an orange. This is like a red. So you want to do this one?
Yeah. What? Whoa, whoa, what?
So I'm gonna let you get your spoon and dig it out with your spoon.
Okay.
Like that. Got it?
Was you doing it like this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm copying.
Ooh. Now that you've got that together, you're gonna pick it up. Ooh.
Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
I need Lilo, Mom. That will make it better. Mom, Lilo will make it better.
Ooh.
Mom, Lilo will make it better. Can I do it?
Mhm.
It's turning purple.
Look. Look.
It's not breaking.
That's good. I mean, we made it right.
Yeah, but now we need some Lilo. Lilo.
So now you want to make yellow slime?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to put this one in your little container.
Lilo. Mom, that's how you make Lilo with all these colors, okay?
So, this is our first successful slime, y'all. Ooh.
Don't eat it. Mom, it's turning purple.
And purple happens to be Mommy's favorite color.
Don't really eat the purple.
Look, you want to act like you're eating it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, hold on, let me make it back.
Mommy. Okay, Mom.
Got it? Mm-hmm.
Okay, sticky. Mom, sorry, slime.
Mm-hmm. Look. Now pick it up out the bowl. Pick it up out the bowl.
Look, guys. I need why?
What kind of laugh was that?
That was a.
We did awesome.
Now we need the white and orange. Okay.
With the slime that we used today, let's mix them all together and make a big slime.
I got this one.
Got it?
I think it's going to turn rainbow.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Where's the other slimes that we made?
That's it. I put them all together.
Yeah. It's turning green.
I see. Let's see.
It's turning light green. Everybody, look! It's turning blue. It's turning blue. Wow.
Look. And it gets longer and longer and longer. Okay, bring it back. Bring it back.
Wow.
Now.
Guys, look at. Wow. It's green as rainbow.
So it ended up turning into like a greenish, purplish color because we put them all together.
Let me play with it.
All right, AJ. So we're bringing the video to an end. So y'all, that is the end of this video.
So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pseudo Fly Kids.
All right, and until next time.
Tschüss.